Ever wondered how to create realistic packaging bags in 3ds Max? In this video, I'll show you a simple and effective way using the cloth modifier. Hi everyone, welcome back! In this video, we're going to model a packaging bag step by step. Let's go! First, create a chamfer box. Then adjust its parameters. Select your object and press Ctrl+V to create a copy. After duplicating the object, modify the copy's color and hide it. Now, convert the object to editable poly. Select the top polygon and delete it to open the mesh. Use the Connect tool to add edge segments. Switch to the top view and draw a tube shape. This will act as the handle of the bag. Next, apply the cloth modifier to the main object. This allows the mesh to behave like fabric and gives it a realistic look. Create a group for the selected vertices for ClothSimulation. Assign the group to another object, node. To give the bag some depth, apply the shell modifier. This adds thickness to the surface. Finally, apply the Turbo Smooth modifier to make everything cleaner and smoother. And that's it! Now you have a realistic packaging bag model. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.